Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Eventbrite Pro for scaling event marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the pricing section in the main menu. Click on pricing to explore the different plans available. Scroll down to find the Eventbrite Pro plan details. Read through the features to understand how they can benefit your event marketing strategy. If you decide that Eventbrite Pro is a fit for your needs, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Enter your payment information and confirm the subscription. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your Eventbrite dashboard to access the Pro features. Explore the marketing tools available under Eventbrite Pro. Implement features like targeted email campaigns and social media integrations. Monitor your event performance with the analytics tools provided. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the insights gathered. Continue to engage with your audience using the enhanced marketing options. Regularly review your subscription to ensure it meets your scaling needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.